This is 1,130,000 RMB. No, I think we're gonna end this video here. Do you think any country has this kind of mall? I think the reality is that China has one of the most luxurious and most beautiful mall in the world. So you have to take a look at that. So if you know your account is, your wallet is full, you can come here. Yeah. This basically is for people that are doing marriage. You wanna propose, like I say, that's amazing. Yeah, I know women will like this. Yeah. Yo, what's up, guys? This is Foreigner. On today's video, we're gonna explore the most luxurious shopping mall in China. China, and specifically cities like Shanghai, Nanjing, and Beijing, has seen a rapid growth in wealth and influence over the past decades due to their booming economy. It has led to a growing customer class with a taste of luxury goods and experience. Luxury mall like the IFS International Finance Center cater to this demand by providing a high-end shopping experience that showcases luxury brands around the world. These malls have become popular destinations for both locals and tourists looking to indulge in upscale shopping, dinner, and entertainment options. Basically, this place is called IFC Mall Nanjing. Yeah. You can see the face of the mall here. IFC Mall Nanjing. From here, you can see the decoration of the flowers. The place is very beautiful. It's very amazing. Wow. While this side is Dior. And from here, you can see the view of Nanjing City, which make it more beautiful and more amazing. Yeah. So now let's go to the entrance of the mall. Let's see how it is. Let's explore inside. Wow. This is the entry. So we are going to use the entry. Oh. Wow. This is the decoration of the flowers. So I bought we can use the borders here. Wow. Wow. This is like this is a very good place to propose. When you want to marry, just come to Nanjing, China. This is a very good place to propose. Wow. That's amazing. Do you think any country has this kind of mall? I think the reality is that China has one of the most luxurious and most beautiful mall in the world. So you have to take a look at that. See ya. Wow. That's amazing. Yeah. Wow. So let's go up. Let's see. Wow. You can see the view from up. The design is very amazing. So basically, when you see Chinese people dressed like this, they are people that do delivery, and this is the reason for them to come out sun here. Wow. So in this floor, there are different types of brand, which include Dior, Gucci, Burberry, Balenciaga, Bulgari. You can see them. Yeah. This is Dior. This is Balenciaga. This is Bulgari. Wow. And here is Saint Laurent. And this side is the Burberry. So you can show them the Burberry to know how luxurious it is. Yeah, I think I don't have to go inside. So I can show you guys from outside. And here is the Gucci. That's amazing, yeah. So let's check some of the prices of Gucci's if they have written it from outside. Yeah, no, they have not written it. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, here is the lift. Wow. The mall has an application where you can buy things, and here is Love, Tiffany and Koya, and we have another deal here. Yeah. So if you know your account is, your wallet is full, you can come here. Yeah. This basically is for people that are doing marriage. You wanna propose, like I say. Yeah. That's amazing. Yeah, I know women would like this. Yeah. Wow. And if you want to like propose when you buy anything like a gift box and flowers. Wow, this is China. That's amazing. Yeah. China. This is just put to make the place like the decoration. And here is another LV. Wow, that's amazing. I like the interior. This is just for decoration. Only in China you can see things just for decoration here. And here is like a place if you want to do show. Yo, my beautiful people, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me give you guys back-to-back video. So I want to like do performance for my people. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, this is Prada, Milano, 1913. Wow. And here is like a customer service. When you have like a problem with the application or anything or payment, you can come here. This place, this first time I'm seeing this brand, Vacheron Constantly In. Yeah. And this is Apple Van Cleef and Celine. Yeah. This is like a ring. Neck ring, yeah. Necklace, right? Necklace, yeah. Yeah. 69,000 RMB, which is almost, I don't know, but I'll put it on the video. I don't know in dollar. Why this is, okay, this is more cheaper. 38,500 RMB. This one is 140,000 RMB. This is times type of my tuition fee. Hey! Wow, that's why I tell you guys this place is very expensive. Yeah. So yeah, this is a watch we need to show you guys. Please show them the price. This is 1,130,000 RMB. No, I think we're gonna end this video. Yeah. Yeah, this is Celine. Wow, this is the first time I'm seeing POS in China. I don't know. I think this is should be Alipay. No, not this is Fendi. Yeah, I love Fendi. Yeah. Fendi is very amazing. Yeah, and this is Valentino. Wow. I'm already having. I don't have the like courage to enter inside. I don't know why, but I can. But I don't have the courage. Yeah. This is Celine Paris. Wow, that is amazing. Yeah. The clothes are beautiful. Wow. So this side is a toilet. You know, almost all in China have a toilet. Wow. So let's go to the floor. Let's see what we're gonna see. Then we'll end the video here. Yeah. So yeah, because my body is very hot, I need to find something to drink. So I think here is a place I can afford. Yeah. Let me just sneak and have a yogurt there. Oniel. Yogurt. Yogurt. 这个菜单在哪里？
您是要哪一个？
哦，
这边就是菜单。
哦，好的。Let me check. Oh, I think this should be good. Yeah. 这个。
这款是吧？
哦，对。这个。
大概需要5分钟左右。
这个一个。
对的对的。
哦，好了。
不好吃这个。
两个，全部都想。Yeah, this is the only thing I can afford.
那小钱2杯是78块9。
哦，好的，哦，你付吧。
对。
我的是。
2杯莫尼，不盐就分着10杯。
让我来分，我的分。
你付吧。
我扫您，你就打开那个对。
Yeah. It cost me
5分钟。
5分钟哦。That's 5 minutes. It cost me 78 RMB. Yeah, can you just show them little part of here, small? Let them see. Yeah. It's not easy. Yeah. So basically, this is like the menu of the place. B1 is a parking place. Floor. Large ground is a shop and restaurants. Ground is shop and restaurant. L1 shops, restaurant, shop, restaurant, shop, restaurant. This is like a L4 restaurant, and L7 too is shops. So here is just our luxurious. Yeah, this is the only place we can afford to sneak. And here is like a place where you can sit and have a drink, actually. So basically, this side too is a cinema. Let me show you guys. Yeah, this side is cinema. Wow, I like the interior. Palace Sanity Lydia. Wow. This is one of the best cinema I've ever been to, because normally when I visit cities in China, I like to go cinema and watch movie. But this cinema is very incredible. Yeah, see the interior. Wow. Wow. Yeah, the movies I'm seeing like 120 RMB, 110 RMB. And here's the way you can buy tickets. Let's see. Wow. This is a place where you can choose a movie you want. You can scan with your WeChat and you choose any movie you want, and you can make payment through scanning with your Alipay or WeChat. Yeah. That's really amazing. Yeah. So anyways, I'll show you guys our yogurt, then we can. The IFC Mall in Nanjing is a popular destination located in the Golo district of Nanjing, China. It features a wide range of luxury and international brands, restaurants, and entertainment options. See, this is the fourth floor of the place. It says I love Nanjing Mall. Yeah. This place is very amazing, and the view, everything is nice. And here you can see like we are on the ground, but we are outside. We are at the fourth floor of the mall, which make it more amazing. And the interior, the grass, everything here is just luxury. Yeah, just luxury and amazing. Yeah. Wow. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Let me know you guys in the share. I know some of my subscribers are very rich, so maybe you guys we can do business. Yeah, we can do business. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys, and I will catch you guys in another vlog. Peace out.